Hey guys, it's Garrett with RPM Diecast, and today we have a Liberty Walk Ferrari F40 Inno 64 in chrome silver. Now I have the black one, kind of what it looks like. I had the white one and I had the red Christmas one, which I ended up trading to get some other stuff, but yeah. Here's the chrome one. Same red interior as the black one, a little bit different rims. And the black one was the Hong Kong exclusive, the white one was the Tokyo exclusive. This one's not an exclusive, but there is a chase for these. It looks like this. It's like an oil slick almost. Oil slick chrome, really nice. But it's like $200 plus. It's really nice, but that's a lot of money for an Inno 64. Anyway, I'm gonna go take this off the base. We'll get some up close shots, and then we will come back after. That was the Inno 64 Liberty Walk Ferrari F40 in chrome silver. Now again, really nice casting. This one definitely I like way more. The white one was my favorite out of all these ones that I've had. But I would have to say this chrome one is probably my favorite now. I don't know, it definitely is my favorite. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget about the giveaway. So I am giving away that Mitsubishi Super T-Hunt as well as the R34 Skyline from Fast and Furious. All you have to do is go into the video in the comments below and leave your favorite casting and subscribe, and that's it, and then you get entered in. So do that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, check out some of our other videos, and keep on collecting.